Hello guys, today project is SoccerBet project. Currently this project built on Binance Smart Chain, which means you can buy this token using Binance Smart Chain like BNB. SoccerBet is a decentralized and 100% community driven project. SoccerBet token supply is 1 trillion SCE token. SoccerBet is a token based on smart contract from BEP20 and a governance token. So their dividend will be utility for betting game, thus providing liquidity for the project and earn passive income for holders just from holding the SoccerBet token. SoccerBet will pay 5% BUSD reward to holders. Pink sale or pre-sale. The launch of SoccerBet at Pink Sale will be a 2-week round marked by heavy marketing and direct to the public. This is Pink Sale of SoccerBet project. Pre-sale will start after 16 hours. Here you can buy SoccerBet token on pre-sale using BNB. This is pre-sale address. Token name is SoccerBet token. Token symbol is SCE. Decimal is 18. Total supply is 1 trillion SCE token. For pre-sale around 200 million SCE token. Token for liquidity around 102 million SCE token. Soft cap is 50 BNB. Pre-sale time is 19th March 2022. Pre-sale end on 1 April 2022. This token will list on PancakeSwap. Liquidity percentage is 51. Liquidity lock time is 365 days. Total team vesting token is 20 billion SCE token. First release will start after 10 days. Hey, do you like football? Then you will go crazy being able to bet on your favorite team and still win. SoccerBet goal is it will be the biggest sport betting site with its token on the market. SoccerBet will have its own token. SoccerBet will have its own swap, which means SoccerBet will launch its DeFi exchange and SoccerBet have its own app for sport betting. In iOS and Android only focus on football. And SoccerBet will launch its NFT of team mascot from around the world and cup selection. SoccerBet's token to place the sports bets, and with that the winning bettor will have profits on top his bets. With this, SoccerBet will have the most valued token on the market. With all games happening live, you will be able to bet on your favorite team wherever you are. SoccerBet mission have a community of 1 million followers. The burn will be monthly, always the last day of each month. The cup is coming and so are you at SoccerBet. Binance Smart Chain Network project that will make life easier for football loving bettors. Transaction fee of SoccerBet token for purchasing or buying transaction fee is 13%, 5% for hold, 5% for marketing, 3% for liquidity, 15% transaction fee for transfer or sale, 7% hold, 5% for marketing, 3% for liquidity. Tokenomics of SoccerBet token. This is tokenomics. For pre-sale 20%, for liquidity 50%, for projects 20%, for marketing 10%. Business partner of SoccerBet: CoinGecko, PancakeSwap, PooCoin, CoinMarketCap and BSC Scan. This is Twitter account of SoccerBet token. You can join Twitter account for latest update. Here you can check all tweets of SoccerBet token. And this is Instagram account of SoccerBet token. Total followers is 11.5k. can also follow Instagram account for latest update. So guys, I have only shared this information according to Soccerbet website. So I am not a financial advisor. Invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Please check everything before invest. Thanks for watching.